Today we have a brand new animation. This one comes to us from 𝗏𝗏𝗽𝗏, where we get to see every transformation that Goku has up to this point, plus some extra fan-made ones, and one that I've been wanting to see in a new animation style for quite some time. You guys remember Legend, a Dragon Ball story? The story that basically took not only the animation, the anime, but also the Dragon Ball world by storm this year. Yes, this animation has that transformation. You know which one I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and jump in and see exactly how 𝗏𝗏𝗽𝗏 has updated this animation to add far more weapons to Goku's arsenal.
What you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a technique called Kaioken. This is a Super Saiyan. This is known as a Super Saiyan that has ascended past the Super Saiyan. Or you could just call this a Super Saiyan 2. This is Super Saiyan 3. This is Super Saiyan 4. This is Super Saiyan God. This is Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan. Or you could call this Super Saiyan Blue for short. This is Super Full Power Super Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker. This is for all you OG fans. This is Super Saiyan 5. This is a technique used by the Angels. It is known as Ultra Instinct. This is my complete Ultra Instinct form. This last one is to go even further beyond. This is what I like to call Super Saiyan 100.
So the story I get behind this is that Goku is basically showing Beerus what he has up his sleeves by showing him all these transformations and basically saying, look, this is how far I've come. Maybe he's going into a test against Beerus. Whatever the case is, it is a awesome pre-fight tradition for Goku to go through his transformations anyway, but see here, when he goes into that Super Saiyan 100, Super Saiyan Infinito transformation, he actually has to de-power from those transformations that all seem to go in one line. They all seem to be kind of connected to each other for this final bit, which this is what we are here for. This ending clip here, this is the new transformation that we saw in Legend, a Dragon Ball tale, and I kind of want to see what it looks like in a new style than that very distinct style that that animation had originally. This is the 𝗏𝗏𝗽𝗏 almost OG Dragon Ball style, like old Yamamuro, but because Goku has to depower from that original line of transformations, I believe that basically what 𝗏𝗏𝗽𝗏 is saying is that this new transformation is not connected to any of those. It's not connected to that Saiyan spirit that we saw in those other transformations. This is something ancient. This is something different. Goku having to go through the same metamorphosis that he had to go through with Super Saiyan 4 to reach this new transformation is just so well made. The updated visuals to that original Super Saiyan 4 transformation, obviously ported into here, also look really well done. And the Legend transformation, the Savior from Heaven transformation, really has become one of my favorite Dragon Ball transformations that I've seen in a very long time, because it is just so unique, so distinct, something that feels like it's the natural progression. Like, say if Goku from Dragon Ball was never a Saiyan, it seems like something that he would go into as sort of a mythological figure. That's kind of what that transformation feels like, and it looks really good here, not even in that traditional style that we saw back in the original Legend animation. It looks really well done. It's the exact same transformation method where his scream burst out flames all over his face, and then we get to see that this transformation is just so mighty, so intense, that Beerus himself has to transform in order to keep up. And honestly, I would love to see what these two fighting would possibly look like. Lord Aizen, if you are listening to this, if you make a sequel to this, I would love to see this new transformation, the Savior from Heaven Goku versus this transformed version of Beerus that looks almost like he's feral. I would love to see that. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the Savior from Heaven transformation. This is going to be BlackScape signing off. Take care, guys.
Subscribe for more content. Or perish.